Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another crypto update. Today we are taking a look at the three top dogs: Cardano, Polkadot, and Bitcoin, obviously. Before we get started, I do want to say that I am not a financial advisor. Anything you do is on you, and you should do your own research before investing money into crypto. So, crazy couple of days in the market lately. XRP, BNB, hitting all-time highs, new all-time highs, and things are looking very crazy. And ADA's ADA's on a run right now as I'm recording this video. Jumping into Bitcoin, we still do have our target right there at $72,255 as a potential breakout target out of this ascending triangle. So as you can see, we made higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. And we do have this strong resistance level that we can't seem to break through. Now, Bitcoin is uh, is going down just a little tiny bit, and some of the alts are coming down with it. But as you can see, we did test a 20 EMA once again, and we are on the daily chart actually, and that is looking very good for Bitcoin right now. Perhaps if we did come back to the 20 EMA once again, on the daily, then you could target this level at 56,895. That would be your buy-in if you would like to get into a Bitcoin right now. Failing that, if we were to drop down even further, then do take a look at this support line over here on Bitcoin. So wherever we fall down to, you can expect us to hit this resistance level. And failing that, you can just come back to this 52,523 price per Bitcoin. But that is a bearish scenario that will drag down the 20 EMA down, and that's not what we want to see right now. And looking on the RSI, we are not overbought. So on the 55 level on the daily, looking very good. So potentially another 20 EMA retest and then a push through and finally breaking this resistance level that we have over here. That would be very bullish for Bitcoin. Let's jump into the 4 hourly. So we are going to throw the fib up just in a second. So on the 4 hourly, as you can see, we started making higher highs over here. Higher highs, being supported by the 20 EMA, broke down below it, and now potentially what we could see is a retest of the EMAs. Currently, we are at the 55 EMA on the 4-hour chart, and we are not looking oversold actually on the RSI on the 4-hour chart as well. And the volume, we need a bit more volume, to be honest with you. We need more volume. So we do look not so great on the 4 hourly on Bitcoin right now. But with this EMA retest, that could send the price up. And I'm going to show you in a second on the Cardano chart, because this EMA retest, that is something that acts as if it's a bullish cross in a way, because it sends the price parabolic, sends the price up. So what we do want to see is testing this 55. We are hitting our head on the 20 EMA. We want to get through that, bounce off the 20 EMA, and finally break through this level. So what I do expect is come up a bit, break through the resistance, retest, come up to this all-time high, potentially in the next 2 days. So that's something that I would be targeting. You know, it could happen tomorrow. So once you break this resistance and you get the retest, you could buy back in at the retest, because that would confirm that we are actually going to go back up. And obviously not 100%, not financial advice, guys. So throwing the fib up, swing low to swing high, as you can see, if we just can get that area over there. So as you can see, we are testing the 0.618, which is the golden ratio. And once we do break through that, I think we are definitely gonna hit new all-time highs very soon for Bitcoin. We just need to get through this level, because this 0.618 is the golden pocket, and that's where the price struggles for a bit. That is usually the case. Potentially we could drop back down even to the 0.5 level, and you can target that as well, guys. I'm going to give you the price tag for that in a second. There we go. That would be 56,147. So target these two levels for a potential entry on Bitcoin. That is two good levels for you to enter Bitcoin right there. But overall, looking bullish on Bitcoin. We are moving a bit sideways today, and I hope that tomorrow and you know uh, later today, later tonight, we are going to see a move to the upside. But on the daily, we do look healthy indeed. So that is it for Bitcoin. A bit of a longer breakdown, guys. But I do want you to have your targets and potential breakdown targets and potential targets for the breakout out of this ascending triangle. Now that's it for Bitcoin. Jumping into Cardano. Now we do have our fib retracement on the 4 hour already, and as you can see, we have broken through the zero point 0.5 level, which previously was a very strong. It was like a brick wall. We couldn't get through it, and finally we did. We are pumping, like all the alts in the top 10 are pumping one after the other, and that is actually kind of cool. So what we want to see is we did have this $1.34 ADA a couple of hours ago, and we have come back down to this resistance level. As you can see, we do have this resistance level, and I'm gonna mark it. That is $1.26 279. So $1.26 is our support right now. So we are being supported by this line, and we don't want to fall back to the 0.5. We want to close above this on the daily and on the 4 hourly. If you can see on the daily chart, guys, it's really been boring and really a lot of sideways movement with Cardano for the past couple of days. But we are looking to close above this on the daily. That is what we want to see. And if we do that, then our next target is the 0.618 level. As you can see, I'm going to give you the price for that as well. That is our next level. That is $1.30. Straight, yep, $1.30. That is a psychological price as well. So once we do get through this 0.618 level, the skies are clear for us to hit new all-time highs. It's just these two levels were holding us down for so long, the 0.5 and the 0.618. And we did actually form a double bottom, which is a bullish pattern on the 4 hourly chart. If we go back to the 4 hourly chart in a second, as you can see, we did form a double bottom over here. I'm just going to mark it for you so you can see over here and over here. So this was a double bottom that sent the price up. We did consolidate for a bit around this $1.18 price, I would say, $1.18 to $1.20. And now we broke through. We made this bullish cross on the 4 hourly, as you can see. So we did make this bearish cross, and I was really thinking that ADA was going to come back down and test the dollar. I was really thinking that ADA was going to come back down and test the $1.03 area, but that didn't happen. We made a bullish cross soon after, like in a day, which is crazy, and we are in this parabolic move right now. So hopefully this is the start of something good for Cardano. I don't know if any news broke recently. I'm not aware of that. Do let me know in the comments below. But once this video is uploaded, the price is probably going to be a lot higher. I certainly hope so, because I have a bag of ADA and I am waiting for that $2 price for Cardano. Let me know if you are holding ADA as well, guys. So yes, this is looking very, very bullish, guys. We finally are breaking Cardano. We are finally breaking through these levels on Cardano, and we are gonna have an update tomorrow, hopefully, and I will keep you updated with this, guys. But on the RSI, we are starting to get to that oversold area. So potentially, what you can see is a retest of previous support levels, which this would be actually a good support level. As you can see, there are a lot of touches in this area, and the price did wick there quite a few times. So that is $1.23, almost $1.24. And what you want to see is you want us to close above and hover above the $1.24, 23 price area. We want to be above that for us to be bullish, because we don't want to consolidate. We have consolidated enough. Look at this, sideways moving, but this is good for swing trading, but it was annoying for hodlers. Overall, looking very bullish. Do target these levels, guys, and do target new all-time highs for Cardano. If you're a hodler, then do hodl, and everything's going to be good, guys. Have diamond hands. Jumping into Polkadot. Now, I was supposed to cover this yesterday, but the video got corrupted and I couldn't upload it, and you know, it just sucked all around. So I am having this video right now. We have the opportunity to talk about Polkadot, and that's exactly what we are doing. So this is a good buying area over here on Polkadot, on DOT, at $34, anywhere from $35 to $34. That is a good buy-in. So we are looking to hit this 20 EMA on the daily at the $38 price tag. And that is potentially something we are testing. Failing that, we're going to come back lower into this perfect buying area and potentially even retest the 55 EMA. And as you can see, the 55 EMA is going to be at the price of $33.3, and that is a good buying opportunity as well. So keep an eye on that on the daily. So as you can see, we are coming back down. We have formed this top here on the daily, and we are starting to come back down. Going to the 4-hour chart, I'm not going to try to extend this video for more than it needs to be extended. So as you can see on the chart, we did form this double M kind of pattern on the top, and we do have this neckline over here. So if we stay above this neckline, then we should bounce off of it and keep on moving and get supported by the 20 EMA. Failing that, we can come back and you know, retest the 0.618 level, which would be healthy, because this is a golden pocket ratio, and this is where the price always come back. Usually 9 out of 10 times usually come back to after an impulsive wave. So yes, we are looking good for Polkadot. Don't buy in now. I wouldn't recommend buying in now. Wait for that pullback, potentially coming back to the 55 EMA even on the 4-hourly, which is the $40 price as well. And if we drop down here, and if Bitcoin shits the bed, this is what you want to be looking at, guys. This buying area over here between $35 and $34 on the RSI. We don't look overbought, looking good, straight in the middle. Volume we need a bit more volume to keep us afloat above this resistance level, guys. So that is it for Polkadot, pretty much. We would just want to see what happens next. And if we do start coming back down, potentially this would be a good buying level as well at the 0.618. But then again, I would wait for a bit. Not financial advice. I would wait a bit for a pullback towards the weekend, probably, where we do have our pullbacks every weekend, pretty much all the time, and that's where you want to get into Polkadot. But yes, guys, do let me know if I missed anything on the charts. Let me know. Are you having a go at Polkadot right now? Are you gonna wait for the weekend? Are you in Bitcoin? Are you in Cardano? Are you staking? Let me know all these things in the comments below, because I do like to talk to you. We are gonna have our Telegram chat launched tomorrow, I do think, or maybe even today, and I'll have the description updated. So yes, guys, thank you for all the support. Thank you for your comments below, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye and good night.